My name is Harshal Kale. I am the regional manager for World Federation of Hemophilia. I take care of South Asia and East Asia as a region. I want to talk about one of the most life-changing program of WFH, which is humanitarian aid program. I remember this program started in 2015 with a very small amounts of donation, and now we have enormous amount of donations coming to India. I would say about 30% of the total humanitarian aid donations comes to India, and I have seen lives change because of this program. I have seen people getting out of the bed, getting operated, and going back to their normal lives. It was a very pleasant sight that we have come a long way in a government hospital, having the products available and having patients on prophylaxis, seeing patients opting for the life-enhancing surgeries is amazing.
So after WFH humanitarian program started, we could include more and more patients on the prophylactic treatment, and we could do more corrective surgeries. We conduct an average of around 150 surgeries in a year. We could do patients who not only from our state, we could also do from patients from other states of India.
It's extremely important to collaborate with WFH. First of all, the basic necessity is to get factors from WFH. Because of the donations, we are able to perform more and more surgeries. Along with our hematology team and therapists, we are doing a lot of surgical interventions, starting with acute bleed patients, treating synovitis patients, pseudotumors, fractures, as well as joint replacements. And recently we did our first robot-assisted knee replacement surgery at our institute.
म्हणजे खरं म्हणलं तर हात चलतच नव्हता बिलकुलच. तसं जसं याला मी असं काकाला घेऊन यायचे ब्रिज चढून बिरून तर म्हणजे व्हेचरवर घेऊन जायचे, शाळामध्ये व्हेचरवर घेऊन यायचे. मी खूप रडायचे. तर आपल्या कीर्ती मॅडम बोलायचे, रडू नका, तुमचा मुलगाच पहिला नाही आहे आपल्या दवाखान्यात. मग इथं आणल्याच्या नंतर मग आपले डॉक्टर म्हणले की ऑपरेशन करावं लागेल. तर मग मी त्यांना विचारलं, ऑपरेशन केल्याच्या नंतर चालन का? तर बोलले चालन तो. मग त्याचं ऑपरेशन केलं, मग तो चालाय आता, मग एकदम चांगला चलतो तो. तर तिथं म्हणजे त्याला जे काम मिळेल तो करायला जातो. म्हणजे असं बसत नाही घरात, काय बी करत राहतो.
Elective procedures also have increased in hemophilia patients, which can improve their quality of life. Then I still remember the intra-articular joint injections. We used to initially struggle. Now they've become a regular practice. Because we had dental procedures, more and more dental procedures, surgical procedures could be done because these factors were available, which previously we used to avoid. Just because we didn't know how much factor would be required, whether it will be available.
WHF has been a backbone. Okay, right from our inception in 1983, our relationship with WHF has been very strong. Probably one of the best, which you can see the results of I think the number one amount of surgeries, the humanitarian aid which we get. Okay, the doctors have the confidence of that there is a supply of medicine and which they can use in their liberty. We are able to conduct surgeries without being worried. And yes, I would re-emphasize that our relationship within the medical fraternity has drastically improved with the products.